likes to say purebred siya.
I'm
banana pan.
Okay, go. Today's video, we are doing Q&A. Nag-film na mi og Q&A, but many more questions came in, so nag-decide mi mag-refilm. First question.
Mo balik pakaha mo sa Philippines. Yes.
Yes.
For sure, one day. when
Actually,
wala na
daghan
COVID.
kay tao nag-ask na mo, ana, and ganun dyan balik, but
Yeah,
once
hopefully.
COVID is gone.
Mangutana unta ko kung
Unsa?
inyong gamingawan sa Philippines, pagkaon, dagat, ug uban pa. Pagkaon. Ano sa inyong gamingawan na
You're
pagkaon?
showing everyone the
sorry.
questions. Ako mga friends.
Imong mga what?
Friends.
Our friends.
Friends.
Ang pinakamangin.
It's okay.
How much I miss the Philippines. Everything, you know? Philippines, friends.
Lane na lane.
George.
George.
Uy, naamon naman eh. Nakatawa naman ako.
Friends.
Hello, mo.
George.
Kani, uy.
Friends. Okay. Okay.
Do you speak Bisaya? No.
No.
Sorry.
English only. Okay, asa mo sa Philippines nagpuyo? Cebu City,
Yes.
Philippines.
Yeah, it's more fun in the Philippines, especially Cebu. But you know.
Hashtag truth. Okay, next. That's Tagalog. Lumaki ba kayo sa Philippines? Are we going back to the Philippines?
Wow, I can speak Tagalog.
Ay, makasawat kang Tagalog, sure ka?
Yeah, that's
Wait,
it. Are you going
what
back
did
to the
it say
Philippines?
again?
Lumaki ba
naka-ask.
kayo sa Philippines?
Oh, sige, so nag-answer na tanay.
Next.
Be, can you buy Filipino ingredients where you live? Sort of.
Some, I think nakatanaw na mo sa among like Filipino store haul videos. The one is more like it's Asian store, it's not Filipino store, but you can buy Filipino things, but not all.
Yeah.
Which is sad,
Sayang.
but still good. That one says pila mo katuig nagpuyo din he.
Oh, nag-leave me dra from the time 5 years old ko until college na ko, so like 17.
Ako 4.
So how many years? 17 minus 5. Okay, 12?
Ako kay 17 minus 5.
Wala kita, wala kita.
17 minus 5. Makamats. Home study
Be,
me.
favorite food.
Favorite food? Yes. My
Ako,
in
bulan.
the Philippines.
Wait. Bulan.
Lay na tabian
lumpia.
kaya. Ako dahil.
Ano
Di ko ka-answer sa mga questions.
Sorry, gano'n siya mag-istorya, pero may tabian man siya. Nag-coffee
My
lang ko ganyan.
favorite foods in the Philippines is everything. Kinsa nagtanaw sa mong live sa TikTok?
Nakatana mo?
Nag-live me sa TikTok.
Kumita. Ah, wait, unsa na?
Huh?
That's something. Do you guys prefer to speak Tagalog or Bisaya?
Bisaya.
Of course.
Tagalog, Jud. As in.
Lisod kayong Tagalog. Ay, never
It's
ever.
not hard.
Do I call you tita or ate? Ah, ate. Yeah, ate. We're so young. If you call me a tita, I'll be like, oh, tiguan ko ni mo. Like, oh.
Tita mo.
Unless you're like 8 years old or something.
Layna, si Jackson magtawag na ako tita.
I know,
Tiguan
tiguan ka. I am true Bisaya. Where did you, I am true Cebuano. Where did you learn?
Cebuano.
Bisaya.
We learned Bisaya in the Philippines, in Cebu, from among mga amiga ug mamigo. Yes. Because we are playing all the time.
Nakaadto na mo Davao City.
Oh, of
yes.
chores.
Yeah, of chores.
We went there all the time.
Nag-chores? Of course. Unsay sunod, ana?
Friends.
Oh, Prince. Toya, why are you holding my hand? So weird. Are we Filipino?
Of course.
Sa kasing-kasing lang?
You know. Why? You know.
When you're at the mall.
You forgot to meet you yet. Among panit kay puti, pero sa sulod kay is all brown.
Yeah. So, no?
So yeah,
Toria
no
likes to
on the
say-
outside, but on the inside, yes.
Toria likes to say purebred siya. I'm banana pan.
I'm pure foods. Okay, next.
Among mga bana are half, but not us. What are your favorite ministry moments from growing up in Cebu?
Oh my.
Favorite ministry moments? I think ako akay extension class. Lingaw kayo magatami sa mga neighborhood kuan ni nay klase. Magkanta mi, maghatag mi og kanang unsa na candy.
Unsa na? Di ka kabalo unsa ng candy.
Unsa na? Candy?
Yes, candy. Yes.
Yeah, that's my favorite. Ikaw? You need to talk more. Sawa daw ko. Go.
That's hard. Daghan.
10 minutes later.
Some of my favorite ministry moments is when like nag-sign me with the deaf for like presentation or teaching kids in the class sa church. Stuff like that. Ako favorite ministry moments when nami like medical clinics and stuff like that, and then magbantay ko sa tanan baby. Para ang mama makahear sa gospel. So, more na ang questions.
If ganahan mo Q&A part 2, just comment in the below.
Comment in the below. If you have more questions to ask, just comment and
Yeah.
pasi maghimong part 2 if we have enough.
Or if na kay idea for future video.
Salamat sa pagtanaw.
Yeah!
Bye!
Kita pa sa sunod.
Pogi!